Hey, my friend. I heard about what happened to you. It must have been awful. How are you holding up?
Thanks for being here, buddy. It's been a nightmare, to be honest. I was robbed a few days ago, and I lost all of my money. I immediately reported it to the police, but they haven't been able to find any leads yet.
That's terrible. I can't imagine what you're going through. Do you have any backup plan? Or someone who can help you out?
Honestly, I'm completely broke right now. I've been struggling to make ends meet. I'm trying to figure out a way to get back on my feet, but it's not easy.
I'm really sorry to hear that. Look, I know this might sound awkward, but if you need some financial help, I'm willing to lend you some money. We're friends, and I want to support you through this tough time.
Wow, that's incredibly kind of you. I don't even know what to say. You've always been there for me, and I can't express how grateful I am for your offer. Are you sure about this?
Absolutely, my friend. I know it's not an ideal situation, but sometimes life throws unexpected challenges our way. We'll figure it out together. Consider this a loan, and whenever you're back on your feet, you can repay me.
Thank you so much. Your trust and support mean the world to me. I promise I'll do everything in my power to get back on track as soon as possible, and repay you as soon as I can.
No need to rush. Take your time and focus on getting back on your feet. Remember, we're in this together. I believe in you, and I know you'll overcome this setback.
I'm truly blessed to have a friend like you. Your words give me hope and strength. Once I'm back on my feet, I'll make sure to pay it forward, and help others in need, just like you've helped me.
That's the spirit. We'll get through this together, my friend. Remember, friendship is not just about good times, but also about supporting each other during the tough ones.
Absolutely. I can't thank you enough for your kindness and understanding. You've reminded me of the true value of friendship, and I'll never forget this gesture. I'll make sure to turn this setback into a comeback.
That's the spirit. I'm here for you every step of the way. Let's focus on rebuilding your life and creating a brighter future. We've got this.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.